Hello and welcome everyone to the Geek Tech Show. In today's video we are going to be reviewing something brand new, and check this out. I got a brand new pair of Oakley sunglasses. So let me know what you think of those weird looking sunglasses that we'll be actually using today. And if you like this Geek Tech Show today, make sure you press the right there, right down below, and the subscribe button as well. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Aeron Thinking Putty, monkey business made in USA. Cool thing to prank and play very different, interesting looking tricks with your boss. So we'll be checking this out, reviewing this kind of weird looking, nasty Play-Doh. And at the end of the video, you're gonna definitely know what am I gonna give this item. Is it gonna get thumbs up or it thumbs down? In today's video review, I'm gonna be reviewing Thinking Putty. So which of those is gonna be review all about? In today's video, it's gonna be this one. So Aeron's Thinking Putty. This is the one called Monkey Business. It is made in the United States, and there is warning, choking hazard. It is not for small kids. So this specific one, this is how it actually looks like once you do get it. When you open it up, it's supposed to sink all the way to the bottom. If it doesn't, it means the item might be a little bit brand new. But this is how it is really supposed to be like. And then you're supposed to try to dig it out of here. And that's not the easiest thing for you to do, depending on how long it has been inside of it. And probably it has been there pretty long. You will have a hard time getting it out of here. This is what I have right now, the case. So let's go ahead and try, and I'm talking about try, to get this thing out of here. Wow. Now this is not for people who are weak. This is definitely great for working out, and just to get this thing out of here by itself, it is a bunch of a workout. And I am really trying to get it out just to make this video for you guys. And here we go. I got some of it out of here. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any more out of it because it got stuck all the way to the bottom of the can. Now, it doesn't really matter if it gets stuck because there is a secret way for you to get it out. If you go on the sides and you try to move it like this, you might be able to pull it a bit on this side, and that's all you really need to do. So keep on pulling it from this side a little bit at a time. You might be able to get most of it out of here. And there we go. I got it a little bit out, pulled out. So as you can see, it took me over like 2 minutes to get this thing out of here, but it is definitely worth it. Now, if you just get it in the mail, this is what you might have to put up with before you get it out of the whole thing. But this thing is so much fun that you won't regret it. Once it is out of the bag, out of this box, that's when all the fun comes in. It actually jumps, as you've seen it jump from this all the way there. It's pretty acrobatic too. This is how it looks like. So every single time you get it, you play with it. As long as you don't keep it for years or months inside this box, you will never have to go through trying to get it out of there like this. And then when you play with it, you bring moisture right back inside of it. So your hands are automatically moisturized just a bit. So by playing with it, you get it even more moisturized, and it becomes a pretty nice thing of goo. This one really is not the best looking one, but you can play awesome pranks on people with this thing. So I'm not really gonna name what kind of thing you can create with this, but you can probably tell what this actually looks like. And of course you can make a nasty shape out of this and just put it somewhere, and of course prank some people into all kinds of things, especially like you stepped on you know what. So that's one of the things that I like about this thing. It's great for pranks, it's good for playing around, and it's good for your hands. I mean, you can get a pretty nice workout just with playing with this thing. You can create different sizes of it too. There we go. Now we have a big one and we have a small one now. Big ball, small ball. You can build things out of this right here. It easily attaches to each other. And let's rate this thing now. So play compatibility. First of all, this thing is pretty hard. I would say if you're getting this for kids, they need to use some muscle to use this. For adults, same thing. But it's fun. It's super fun. This thing is not something that you're like, oh, this thing is not cool. Well, this definitely is cool. This thing is definitely hard. It's not easy for you to pull and use. But there's a lot of things you can do with this, and it's pretty awesome. This thinking Putty, it actually, not only it creates something interesting, what happens is after a while, when you put this right back in here, it's going to mold itself back into its original shape. So whatever you put in here, I'm not sure how long it's going to take, maybe sometimes a day or two, it's going to become exactly how it was when it started. So that's the cool thing about this. Whatever shape you create, as long as you put it right in the box and you close it, it magically is going to be all the way right there, like super, like it was before. That's the cool thing about it. So play factor, I would say this is like a 9-star. Looks factor, this looks pretty nasty. I would say it's a 1 out of 10. It's probably the worst looking thinking Putty, but you can disagree with me. I really don't like the looks. Prank factor, if you want to use it for pranks, this is 10 out of 10. This is probably the most realistic thing that comes to looking like a, you know, I'm not going to say what it is, but it is what it is. And then, and this is, I'm not going to say what this thing is supposed to be looking like. Anyways, this is, I mean, fun factor, it's still 10 out of 10. It's one of my favorite ones. Because you can use it for pranks, you can still use it as a thinking Putty, you can bounce it as a ball, you can make different shapes out of it. It's pretty strong and hefty. Not the strongest one that I encountered, but it is one of the strongest that they have there for that. And if you want to make it more softer, get a little of moisturizer or water on your hands and start playing with it. It definitely will become much more softer. It needs like some moisture to it. It also feeds off the moisture in your hands as well. So that's one of the things about this. Definitely great thing for you to consider if you wanna get into the thinking Putty. Great for you to leave fingerprints right on this. So careful that. And yeah, I do like it. That's why I own it. And I like this company. That's why I own a bunch of different thinking Putties. And if you have anxiety, stress, have nothing better to do at your job, you want to chuck it at people, you want to play a prank on somebody at the office, this one is the best one for you out of all of them. Imagine like smearing some of this stuff right on the mouse of your boss, and they'll be thinking, what in the world is this? Yeah, it'd be like something like this, like it's like I don't know what this looks like, but leaving some of it like a small dropping like this, doing something like that to it, and putting it on your boss's keyboard or something, just like that. They won't know what it is. Like, what is this? So this is definitely, for a playing perspective, one of the best things I ever bought. Whoa. So, yep. Definitely get this. It is kind of cool. Monkey Business is going to be linked right down below if you want to support my channel. I get almost like nothing for this. Like a few, like 10 cents or something every time you buy it. Anyways, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this entertainment, my show. And thank you for watching another episode of the Geek Tech Show. Thank you so much for watching. And now this time for us to give the final verdict on this item. Yes, it is getting us a 5-star out of 10. Just kidding. This is a 10 out of 10 star item. I love it. I love what you can do with it. Definitely an awesome item for you to have in your pranks collection. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this thing is a must-have for you to have. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching the Geek Tech Show. And if you're not a member yet, you should definitely subscribe. It is free for you to join. And see you in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye. Cut. Turn this off. Cameraman. Yep. Sometime today.